In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a dummy battery so that way you can use your Canon 90D to last forever. The Canon 90D has a pretty good battery already, but sometimes I want to shoot all day or even up to all week. Here's the dummy battery that I got from Amazon. On one side is the battery contact, on the other side is the USB. You can use this USB plug to plug into any USB power bank. So go ahead and insert the battery in. Wiggle around and then close the battery door. Plug the USB into the power bank. Here I'm using an Anchor. Bam! You can see that it powers up instantly. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to power up your Canon 90D all day. As you know, this battery pack can be used on other Canon cameras as well. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.